Hello, I am Mason Cave. I am from Reynolds County, specifically Ballinger, and I am the Food Show 2019 Main Dish category champion. Well, I've been doing 4-H since 3rd grade, so that would be about 8 years now. I've just hopped around into a lot of different things, and I particularly am interested in the Food Nutrition Project just because I like cooking and I'm pretty good at it. And I'm interested in nutrition and all like how the nutrients function in your body, and also food science. Originally, we were trying to just throw things at the wall and see what stuck, and so we decided to try to use something with like an interesting ingredient, and we decided on spelt flour. Then it was just about deciding what could go with spelt flour in a restaurant. So I was interested in Rancho's Pizzeria. Also wanted it to taste good. Taste was a big aspect of it because I didn't really want to make anything that wouldn't taste good, because since we're going to be making a lot, it would just seem like a waste of ingredients if it would just be something that I was just going to throw away. That was our thought process going through to why we chose pizza. Well, I learned a lot about nutrients just going over and researching what there was. One nutrient that I really learned a lot about was lycopene. It's an antioxidant, but it's a pigment that is commonly found in red fruits and vegetables such as tomatoes. And it was also interesting learning about how other ingredients function in the body, like iron. Well, it certainly has got me more skilled with using a knife, and if you weren't, that would be pretty bad. So knife safety is one thing, and then also you have to be very careful with what conditions you keep your ingredients in, especially whenever you're coming into contest, but also certain things have to be refrigerated. It's certainly going to help me come up with kind of creative dishes, because it really helps you think about the cost, what is the ingredients going to cost, and incorporates that with cooking it, and also trying to increase the intake of nutrients while also trying to reduce the fats and sugars and various things like that you don't want in your diet. We like to bake a lot, and just like this Christmas, we were making desserts. That just really helps to build up experience in cooking while also making it enjoyable. If you like teach your family to eat healthy, that they'll grow up with that and be able to take that with them into their own lives as they grow older too.